अब अफिस एसिस्टेन्टको बारेमा प्लिज टेल मी समथिङ। अफिस एसिस्टेन्ट भनेको को हो, के हो, त्यसको बारेमा दिपिसा श्रेष्ठ।
हजुर
टेल मी समथिङ अबाउट अफिस एसिस्टेन्ट।
the lower level personnel are known as office assistant who assist the higher level by by conduct by who assist the who assists the higher level staff to carry out administrative jobs. They they help to they help to office by keeping, communicating, implementing various plan and policy etc. There are three types of office assistant. They are personal office assistant, public relation office assistant, mm, sectional sectional clerk.
अब त्यसको बारेमा टुडे वी आर गोइङ टु स्टडी भेरी डिटेलली है। ओके, अफिस चिफ होइन, अफिस एसिस्टेन्ट। ओके,
सर तपाईँको साउन्ड किन सानो आएको छ?
let me share you the screen. Okay, there are a number of tasks to be done in an office since each department has its own work to do. As we know, office has many departments, many sections, and to handle the particular section, there has appointed one personnel who is known as section head, section officer. Yes, overall whole activities of this office organized by office chief, but the particular sectional activities will be handled by the section head. And each department, those department has their own work to do, and office assistant has also his or her own tasks. So first, second, third level or junior level staff, right? You office assistant. The lower level personnel are known as office assistant who assist. Look at the word assist means support, help the higher level staff. This is the very most important sentence that you ever remember. Assist the higher level staff. How these personnel assist higher level staff? To carry out administrative job. To carry out administrative job. Now you have to give extra effort, or even in this sentence, administrative job. In office, there will be number of job, number of work. But what type of work does this office assistant do? Administrative job. They help in an office by conducting day-to-day operation. administrative job, normally known as day-to-day operation, like filing, record keeping, communicating, implementing various plans and policies made by who?
Office
Office
assistant.
assistant.
No, no, no. Made by office assistant implementing various plans and policies made by
Office chief.
yeah, office chief as well as section head. Okay, sectional head formulate the plan according to the direction, supervision, counseling of from office chief, but these office assistant just implement plan and policy. According to their skills and qualification, office assistants are categorized as follows. There is only one office chief. There can be only one section head in particular section, but even under that particular section, there will be number of or different type of office assistant. The number one is PA, personal assistant. It is also so personal assistant is also one post or personal who assist means help, support his or her higher level officer, either the office chief or a section officer. Look, on which section this personnel is working. Okay, either he or she will assist office chief or section officer in performing official activities. What are the activities that normally known as official activities? Can anyone tell me? Administrative job, day-to-day operation, and official activities are normally filing, record keeping, communicating, implementing plan and policy. They are normally official activities. The office chief is the head of the office and has a number of important tasks to perform in the office. They remain busy. Office chief normally remain busy, attending various seminar meeting. So it is very important to have a personal assistant for them because they don't have time to do these kind of official activities. Yes, they may forget their schedule, plan, where to go, what to present, yes, etc., etc. Because office chief normally remain busy. So it is very important to have personal assistant for them to support them, to assist them. Yes, they hire one person who is normally known as PA, personal assistant. It is because he or she remains a higher level officer about the activities that is happening in the office. Personal assistant also maintain various record, handle visitor call, etc. So let me tell you something about PA, just much more than this text. For, for example, uh, in our country, there will be number of PA of minister. Yes, provincial minister. Yes, central minister. There are number of PA. What is their task? Yes, like wherever the minister goes, they also go with them and they remind the activities, they record the activities Yeah, etc. etc. Then let's move to number next, public relation assistant, who is normally called receptionist. I think if you hear this word public relation assistant, then you will be confused. But after seeing this word receptionist, all of you can create a kind of concept. Have you ever seen receptionist somewhere in your area? I'm asking you, are you listening me or not? Please respond me. Right now I'm using data, that's why my internet speed may not be nice. So please tell me. Are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then please respond me properly. Have you ever seen the receptionist in your area? Maybe in some bank, maybe in some cooperative organization, maybe in some school, maybe in some government office, private office, somewhere in your area. Everybody, please open your camera. I'm asking you. Krishnapuri,
Yes, sir.
didn't you understand my asking?
Yes, sir.
Then why didn't you respond me properly? What was my question to you?
Sir, you have asked that have you ever seen a receptionist in your area?
And then why you remain silent then? What does it mean? Are you active student or passive student? Please let me know. And then according to your answer, I will treat you.
I'm active student, sir.
Anyway. Then Sudip Subedi, what was my question and why you remain silent? Why didn't you respond me?
Have you seen any receptionist in your area?
And then why didn't you respond me?
Sir, I'm in thinking so.
Pranita Oza,
Yes, sir.
didn't you understand my question?
Yes, sir.
And then why didn't you respond me? Every single student of this class, please respond me properly. Otherwise, go away to play PUBG, to make TikTok, to chat with your friend. Okay, I don't care. But being in class, you should be in proper way. Okay. Now you may turn off your camera and then let's move in our class. फर्कानै पर्ने के राम्रो मुखले बोलेर नहुने. Okay. So I think up to now, Mr. Sudip Subedi might have thought already. So please tell me about receptionist. Have you ever seen receptionist somewhere in your area?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Yes, sir.
In school.
School means which school? Where did you see?
My previous school, sir.
I even don't know the name of your previous school. I'm sorry to say, but just tell me detail.
Can I say in Nepali, sir?
As you like. Okay, you can.
रिसिप्सनिस्टले चाहिँ सर प्यारेन्ट्सहरूले चाहिँ कल गर्नु भने उहाँहरूलाई अब विद्यार्थीहरूको बारेमा बताउने आफ्नो विद्यार्थीहरूको बारेमा अनि एडमिसन गर्नको लागि कल गर्नु भने स्कुलको फ्यासिलिटीहरू बताउने अनि एडमिसनको लागि प्रोत्साहन गर्ने अनि स्कुलमा केही प्रब्लमहरू भयो भने आफ्नो प्यारेन्ट्सहरूलाई कल गरेर त्यो प्रब्लम्सहरू बताउने त्यही सर
Okay. Any other student who might have seen receptionist just beyond the school, except school, in other places, maybe in financial, in service center? Okay, so you are hesitating to present your idea. No worries, feel free. Okay, then let me tell you. At first, public relation assistant. Receptionist means public relation assistant. So normally public means people. Okay, people means not all the people of the world, not all the people of the country, not all the people of the particular province or particular district, but all the related people of the organization, of the office. Suppose school never keep in touch directly, okay, directly, never keep in touch with the bus driver, okay, directly, but the public relation assistant or school directly keep in touch with the parents, teacher, student, and educational of personal, educational personal. Like this, bank never uh, make relation directly to the student, okay, but bank directly makes the relation with its customer who has the bank account. Okay, then public relation assistant means it is one office assistant who directly makes relation with the public. Maybe some stranger may visit our office at that time. Who will welcome that stranger? Who will welcome the visitor? Of course, receptionist. The front desk officer whose job is to handle call and visitor and provide information to visitor is known as public relation assistant. If anyone visit our office, at first he has to meet this person, public relation assistant, receptionist, and the receptionist welcome and provide information to visitor, yes, and guide them for what purpose they came, okay, etc., etc. It is very necessary to have the right person as the receptionist because he or she is the one who must handle visitor, okay. कोही मान्छे अफिसमा आयो, यहाँ म एउटा कुरा बुझ्न आएको, के कुरा चाहियो कस्तो बोल्न नजानेको कस्तो त बोल्नलाई मैले तँलाई चिनेकै छैन के काम छ भने भन् नत्र भने किन ल्याङ गरेको डिस्टर्ब नगर म यहाँ काम गर्दैछु भन्ने किसिमको रिसेप्सनिस्ट भयो भने के होला त अफिसको अभिज्ञता सो right person should be there as a post of receptionist. He or she is responsible for making good relationship with every visitor. सबै visitorहरूसँग that person should make strong or very good relationship. And therefore, receptionist should be charming, smart, have polite behavior, Usually, a lady with these personal attributes is preferred as a receptionist. अब म भन्छु धेरै जसो होटेलहरूमा रिसेप्सनिस्टहरू हुन्छन् अब तिमीहरू त्यस्तो राम्रो राम्रो होटेलमा जाने मौका कसैलाई परेको छ या छैन अनि ब्याङ्कहरूमा रिसेप्सनिस्टहरू हुन्छन् पक्का ब्याङ्कमा त गएको छ होला अझ ब्याङ्कहरूमा रिसेप्सनिस्ट यहाँ भन्यो नि charming, smart, had polite behavior. Excuse me भन्ने बित्तिकै हजुर कस्तो के एकदमै भर्खरै देखेको हो त्यो रिसेप्सनिस्टलाई तर धेरै वर्षदेखि चिने जानेको मान्छे झैँ गरेर त्यसै के हामी नगर गइयो भने माइजूले सम्मान गरे जस्तो अनि के अरे एकदम के धेरै सम्मान गरेर त्यसै नतमस्तक भएर कति मिठो रेस्पोन्स दिन्छन् नि त्योलाई के भन्यो पोलाइट बिहेभियर अनि धेरै जस्तो केटाहरू पनि हुन्छन् तर केटाहरू एकदम पोलाइट हुन्छन् हुन सक्दैनन् भनेर मोस्ट अफ द अफिस प्रिफर रिसेप्सनिस्ट लेडी लेडिजलाई चाहिँ यो के गर्छ रिसेप्सनिस्टमा चाहिँ प्रिफर गर्छ Okay, then next one is sectional clerk, that is unit staff. As we know, in office, there will be number of section, yes, without, classify without, divide various job of the office cannot meet its objective, that's why there is various section. And to handle the sectional work, there has appointed one personnel who is known as sectional head. And even sectional head cannot operate all the activities of the office. So another office personnel should be appointed that is known as sectional clerk, which is known as unit staff, who assists the department head to carry out daily administrative activities of office is sectional clerk. Yes. Listen, PA, public relation assistant. Yes, these two type of office assistant can be here in one personal particular section. They are also known as sectional clerk. Okay, I will tell you in Nepali later. Don't be confused. Some of the students may be boring, so don't be panic. I will explain it into Nepali later. So who is sectional clerk? Sectional clerk is also one office assistant who carry out daily administrative activities. Administrative activities means what? I already told you, filing, record keeping, communicating, implementing, welcoming staff, yes, providing various information to the public, etc., etc. These type of administrative activities will be handled by this kind of office assistant. Beside a personal assistant who assists the office chief or a middle officer, there are also other assistants who are responsible for performing the tasks in other particular department, and they are known as sectional clerk. So under the section, under particular section, there will be number of activities, number of job, yes. And if that office assistant does that type of activities, that type of job, the such person is office assistant as a sectional clerk. Not only the person who does this kind of activities, but also assist the office chief or middle officer. Yes, such type of assistant is also known as sectional clerk. And even this personnel is also very responsible to perform the tasks, yes, of that particular department under the direction of office chief or section office on which section that person is working. Yes, they perform their tasks. They report everything that has happened in the particular section to the section head. This is also like reporting. Reporting is also one official or administrative activities. So let me summarize you. Normally, office assistant is one lower level staff of an office. Yeah, who uh, who conduct various activities under the provision, supervision, guidance of office chief or sectional head. Okay. Office assistant is appointed not making a plan but implementing plan. What type of activities office assistant does? Administrative activities, official activities. For example, filing, keeping record, welcoming the guest, providing information to the customer, yes, etc., etc. According to the nature of the organization, according to the uh, skills, yes, qualification, office assistant can be classified into three types. Number one is PA. Normally, PA is one personal or is one office assistant who assist, support, help the office chief or sectional head. Another one is receptionist, public relation assistant. Public relation assistant who makes good relation among the public. Yes, for the sake of goodwill, the personal, such type of personal should be polite. Yes, with having good manner, educated, smart, yeah, handsome, beautiful, etc., etc. And another one is unit staff. Unit staff is also one of his assistant who works in one particular section, in one particular unit. Yeah, what type of activities? Same activities as uh, filing, record keeping, yes, etc. etc. Okay, then let me tell you in Nepali. Is it necessary to tell you in Nepali? How many of you are interested to know in Nepali?
लिनुपर्छ सर
अफिस एसिस्टेन्ट भनेको कार्यालय सहायक हो। सुनिरहेछौ? कार्यालय सहायक हो। यहाँभन्दा अगाडि हामीले पढ्यौं अफिस भनेको काम गर्ने स्थान हो, अफिसको महत्त्व यो कारणले छ, एउटा कुनै पनि संस्था कम्पनीलाई अफिस चाहिन्छ, किनभने अफिसबाटै योजना बनाइन्छ, अफिसले नै लागू गर्छ, उद्देश्य पुरा गर्न धेरै काम गर्छ, स्टाफहरू नियुक्ति गर्छ भन्ने कुरो पढिसकेपछि अर्को युनिटमा हामी आयौँ अफिस पर्सनल भनेको त्यही अफिसमा काम गर्ने व्यक्तिहरू। तिनीहरू मध्ये एकदम ठुलो व्यक्ति अफिस चिफ, जसको काँधमा पुरा अफिसलाई ह्यान्डल गर्ने जिम्मेवारी रहेको हुन्छ हैन। अब एकजना अफिस चिफ मात्रै भएर त अफिस सञ्चालन गर्न गाह्रो हुन्छ, त्यसकारण अर्को व्यक्ति पनि अफिसमा नियुक्त गरिन्छ, जसलाई भनिन्छ हामीले सेक्सनल हेड, डिपार्टमेन्ट हेड। अब सानो सानो अर्गनाइजेसन हो भने त एउटै अफिसले पुरै काम गर्न सक्ला, तर ठुलो अफिस ठुलो अर्गनाइजेसन छ भने त्यो अर्गनाइजेसनमा धेरै किसिमका डिपार्टमेन्टहरू हुन्छन्, जस्तै स्टाफहरू एचआर भन्छ, ह्युमन रिसोर्स म्यानेजमेन्ट डिपार्टमेन्ट भन्ने हुन्छ, एचआर डिपार्टमेन्ट। अर्को हुन्छ तिम्रो जस्तो यो के भन्छ अरे कम्पनी अथवा अर्गनाइजेसन कस्तो किसिमको हो, जस्तै सवारी साधनहरू हैन, मोटरसाइकल स्कुटरहरू को चाहिँ बारेमा जान्न त्यसको छुट्टै डिपार्टमेन्ट हुन्छ। अनि त्यसपछि वस्तु उत्पादन गर्ने हैन, म्यानुफ्याक्चरर डिपार्टमेन्ट हुन्छ। अनि सेल्स गरेको हो भने सेल्स डिपार्टमेन्ट हुन्छ। यस्ता फरक फरक डिपार्टमेन्ट हुन्छन्। ती सबै डिपार्टमेन्टमा अफिस चिफ डुलेर बुझेर तिनीहरूको सबै काम गर्न सम्भव नहुने हुनाले अफिसले फरक फरक डिपार्टमेन्टमा फरक फरक किसिमका व्यक्तिहरूलाई हेड बनाएको हुन्छ, जसलाई सेक्सनल हेड भन्छ। अब फेरि त्यो सेक्सनमा त्यो डिपार्टमेन्टमा त्यही हेडले मात्रै काम गरेर पनि पुग्दैन, त्यसमा पनि के गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, अरू स्टाफहरू राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। त्यसकारण अफिस एसिस्टेन्ट भनेको लोअर लेभल भनेको ती दुईटा तहहरू मध्ये तल्लो तहको एउटा कर्मचारी हो, जसले वास्तवमा त्यही सेक्सनल त्यही डिपार्टमेन्ट हेडले अराएका कामहरू, त्यो अफिस चिफले गराएका कामहरू गर्ने र अफिस चिफको इच्छा चाहना रुचि हैन, अनि उसको प्लान अनुसार हिँड्ने काम गर्ने व्यक्ति हो अफिस एसिस्टेन्ट है। अब कस्तो किसिमको काम गर्छ भन्दा अफिस चिफको कपडा धोइदिने, भाँडा माझ्दिने, दारी मिलाइदिने, कपाल मिलाइदिने त होइन होला अफिस एसिस्टेन्टको काम। त्यो अफिसियल एक्टिभिटिज गर्छ क्या त्यहाँ। जस्तो अफिसमा आउने विभिन्न किसिमका चिठी पत्रहरू हुन्छन्, अफिसले पठाउनु पर्ने चिठी पत्रहरू हुन्छन्, अफिसमा फोन आउँछ, अफिसमा विभिन्न किसिमका व्यक्तिहरू आउँछन् हैन। यस्ता सबै कुराहरू अफिसियल एक्टिभिटिजहरू, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिभ टास्क, त्यस्ता काम गर्नलाई नियुक्त गरिएको पर्सनल भनेको यो को हो त, कार्यालय सहायक हो। अब यो पनि 3 किसिमको हुन्छ। एउटा पिए भन्ने हुन्छ, जस्तो हाम्रो मन्त्रीहरूको पिए भन्ने सुनिन्छ नि, त्यो भनेको मन्त्री कहिले कसको के उद्घाटन गर्न, कहिले मिटिङ, कहिले के कति काम गर्न हिँड्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। सबै कुरा उसले अफिसियल कामहरू गर्न सक्दैन, भ्याउँदैन। त्यसकारण उसले एकजना व्यक्तिलाई नियुक्त गरेको हुन्छ, जसले त्यो अफिस चिफलाई अथवा त्यो व्यक्तिलाई के गर्ने, सपोर्ट गर्ने। के गरेर यहाँ पनि त्यो दारी मिलाउने कपाल मिलाउने गरिदिने होइन क्या। त्यहाँ पनि के गर्ने त भन्दा कतैले कसैले फोन गरे हेर है। अब जस्तै म तिमीहरूलाई इक्जाम्पल दिन्छु, अहिलेको हाम्रो प्रधानमन्त्री शेरबहादुर देउवाको फोन नम्बर तिमीहरूले पाउन सक्छौ प्रधानमन्त्रीको। तर तिमीहरूले फोन गर्यौ भने फोन डाइरेक्ट प्रधानमन्त्रीले उठाउँछन्, उठाउँदैनन्, उनको पिएले उठाउँछ। अनि पिएसँग कुरा गरिसकेपछि उहाँको के छ सेड्युल, कता छ, आज के छ, कसो छ, कहिले उहाँलाई भेट्न सकिन्छ हैन, कुन बार कता कुन ठाउँमा भेट्न सकिन्छ, बल्ल थाहा हुन्छ। भनेको त्यो के हो त, पर्सनल एसिस्टेन्ट पिए। अफिस चिफ पनि त्यही हो, उसको कुनै ठाउँमा मिटिङ हुन्छ, कता कुनै अफिसमा जानुपर्ने हुन्छ, विविध काम हुन्छ, तर उसले सामान्य कामहरू गर्न भ्याउँदैन। त्यो काम गर्नलाई अपोइन्ट गरेको व्यक्ति भनेको पिए भयो। अब अर्को छ रिसेप्सनिस्ट। तिमीहरू ब्याङ्कमा गयौ भने, सहकारीमा गयो भने पहिला सुरुमा एउटा कस्तो सानो टेबल जस्तो बनाएर कम्प्युटर राखेर त्यहाँ एकदम गोरी गोरी राम्रा राम्रा केटी राखेको हुन्छ। नर्मल्ली केटी राख्नुको कारण के रहेछ, यहाँ बुकमा पनि भनेको छ, किनकि लेडिजलाई नर्मल्ली के को रूपमा चिनिन्छ, हामी एकदम पोलाइट नम्र स्वभावका हुन्छन् नि। केटाहरू पनि हुन्छन्, फेरि केटाहरू नै एकदम हैन एग्रेसिभ हुन्छन् भने हैन कि, है। अनि तिनीहरूले के गर्छन् त भन्दा, हामीलाई हाम्रो अप्ठ्यारो परेको कुराहरू, जस्तै खाता खोल्नु पर्यो, अब बुढाबुढीहरू हुन्छन् जसले चेक काट्न सक्दैनन् हैन, पैसा जम्मा गर्नलाई भाउचर भर्न सक्दैनन्, त्यो ब्याङ्कको बारेमा कहाँ छ म्यानेजर, कहाँ छ के, यताउता सबै कुराहरू जानकारी दिन्छन् नम्र भएर के। त्यसै ओहो नि त्यो मान्छे त मेरो एकदम चिनजानकै मान्छे हो नि गरेर एकदम रेस्पेक्ट गरेर बोल्छन्। मेनली यो पनि अफिस एसिस्टेन्ट हो, तर यसले पनि तिनै अफिसियल एक्टिभिटिज गर्छ, तर यसको मेन काम भनेको पब्लिक रिलेसन बढाउने गर्छ। कार्यालयमा आइसकेपछि त्यो पब्लिक रिसाएर नजाओस् हैन, त्यो किसिमको स्टाफ भनेको रिसेप्सनिस्ट हो। अनि अर्को छ सेक्सनल क्लर्क। सेक्सन भनेको त्यही एउटा छुट्टै विभाग हो हैन, छुट्टै एउटा शाखा हो। जस्तै हाम्रो विद्यालयमा छ परीक्षा शाखा, कम्प्युटर शाखा, विज्ञान शाखा। ती शाखामा अब हाम्रो त सानो छ, एकदम ठुलो स्कुल हुने है, 4000 5000 विद्यार्थीहरू हुने, टिचरहरू पनि धेरै हुने भयो भने के हुन्छ, त्यहाँ त्यही शाखाभित्र काम गर्ने मान्छे पनि चाहिन्छ। लाइब्रेरीमा लाइब्रेरी हेड एकजना हुन्छ, त्यहाँ किताब मिलाउने हैन, ती किताबहरूलाई जतन गर्ने अर्को व्यक्ति राखेको हुन्छ नि। हो त्यो के हो त, यो सेक्सनमा काम गर्ने व्यक्ति सेक्सन क्लर्क। अब यो अघि मैले भने पिए पनि यही सेक्सन अन्तर्गत नै पर्छन्। अफिस एसिस्टेन्ट भनेको यी तीनटै भयो भने यो सेक्सनल क्लर्क भित्र यी दुईटा पर्छ। किनभने तिम्रो जस्तै डिपार्टमेन्ट भन्ने हुन्छारीहरूलाई मोटिभेट गर्न